Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. First, I used the Smooth and Lift Collagen Facial Serum. I put about 2 to 3 drops on each side of my face and the top of my face, and then I just go ahead and rub it in. Next, I used the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I put it underneath each eye and on any blemishes that I have on my cheeks. And then I just used my brush to go ahead and blend that on in. Next, I used the Maybelline 368 foundation. This is the perfect tint for me, and I really like the coverage it gives. But I go ahead and put it on the brush and then put it on my cheeks and the top of my face and blend that in as well. Next, I used the Ellen Tracy Brow Definer to define my brows. And of course, I just do this on each side. Next, I use a pink liquid or like matte blush, and then I go ahead and blot that in. Next, I use the NYX Butter Gloss, and it's in the shade Strawberry Cheesecake. And as I apply, I just go ahead and blot that. Next, it's my eyeliner. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video.